Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar to see what's new on the shelves. Now I always love to take you guys along with me to find all of the fun finds in the store. So we are going to dive in, and as you can see, I am going down the craft supply aisle, and look what I finally found. These are the new wood crates that they do have at Dollar Tree. They have a really pretty cutout on one side of them. I have been on the hunt for these for months. I'm so glad I finally found them. I thought there were only just a few new designs, but looking at the box, I saw that they had 4 different designs. So of course I have to show you guys. So I put my camera down and dug all 4 designs out, and these are what's in the box. I love that they have that fresh modern look to them. They would look so awesome in different DIY crafts. Another thing that I found are these wreaths. Now these are the wood layered MDF wood type wreaths with roses and greenery. These are a returning item, but they are still so gorgeous for $125. And I have showed you these baskets before, but at this particular Dollar Tree, they had the mother load of baskets. I mean, every type that you could ever think of was in store, whether you wanted solid, two-tones, multi-grain looking with whites, blacks, neutrals. Oh my goodness, they had so many of them. So be on the lookout for them in your stores. Another thing that I found in the craft section is this washer and dryer label. You see they're displayed on a front loader, and each one is sold separately, but they have large stickers included in each of them. So even if you don't have a front loader machine, you can put them on a regular machine or just use the pieces in crafts, which is what I intend to do. So definitely a good deal for $125. This was another item that I saw. Now I've seen these before in bright colors, but I've never seen them in like a bronzy dark color. So that one definitely went home with me. And then I rounded a corner to find this pish posh of different signs, you guys. They had all seasons and all styles here, whether you wanted some summer ones, some spring ones. They even snuck in some Juneteenth ones and some Together We Rise. We know Black History Month is coming up in February, so those are a good grab for now. Now I did go to the glassware, and I spotted these. At first I was thinking, who put pickle jars on the shelf? But these are really cute jars actually. And so you want to grab those if you love to display things or store things in glass jars. In the home decor, I did spot these. These are votive candle holders. Now, I love the texture and design on these. They only come in 3 colors that I saw at my particular store, but I think that these would be so cute for a tea light or a votive candle. And speaking of candles, they had some more of these shorter pillar candles. This is the first time I've seen a double heart tied onto them. This is a little metal double heart piece. I don't know if these are just for Valentine's Day or every day, but they are so super cute. And they had these candles as well. These came out right around the Easter time when they have all of their Easter things. This little chickie and the little egg. I just think this is just too cute. And they were there in 2 different colors. These are back, and I was so excited because you can smell them before you get to them. This cucumber and this melon one, oh my goodness. These are wax melts. They smell amazing, you guys. Grab them when you see them. They will not last. Now over in the garden section, all of their garden tools are coming out. I love to replenish my stock every year just in case. So they had all kinds of pieces, including like a cultivator. And then they have this one here, which is what a transplanter with like a narrow shovel. Now what I can appreciate these, they all have the depth markings on the shovel part, so you could use those. Now here is the trowel. This trowel, they have the larger shovel on this one. They also come in like blue or green handles, so you could color coordinate. Now here is another item that is a favorite. This is the plant hanger, but of course this can be flipped around and used as a shelf and DIY, so that's convenient. And this was a new thing I've never seen before. So this is like a bird basket that you could put treats and things in for the birds. I thought that this was such a neat item. I've never seen it at Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree also sells this stuff called woodpecker dough. You would actually put this inside of that cage if you want to use it for its intended purpose. So that's a neat item too if you want to hang that outside for the woodpeckers to enjoy. Now, I did round the corner to see a ton of new florals. If you follow me on Facebook, you know I have featured some of these over there, but I had to show you here because they are just so gorgeous this year. So they have an assortment of different types of flowers, like these lilies, I believe, in different colors. They also have Easter themed bundles too, like this Easter grassy piece with little eggs on there. That would be cute for an Easter arrangement. And I always love these draping vines of florals. They always are so pretty every spring. Now, these are also a returning item, but they are very popular in floral decorations. Those are really nice in bright colors. And then for Valentine's Day, they have every color rose or carnation that you may need for your arrangements. Now, my favorite, of course, is always the greenery. I always get asked, where do I get my greenery? And Dollar Tree is a great source for it. I love these particular bundles here, and I did pick up 3 of those. Now, in the kids section, you guys, you know I love crafts. So when I spotted these, I was so excited. So they have cross-stitch activity kits that have like this wood heart you could do cross-stitch on. They also have magnetic tile art pieces that come with the tiles, and the paints are included. And if you are a fan of the clay, they have mini clay kits. They had 3 different styles of these at the Dollar Tree. If you want to enjoy crafts with your littles or just for yourself, I think these kits are great for $125. They also had a couple of new games I've never seen. So this one is the Balance Monkey game. I remember playing this as a kid, so much fun. And then they have this one, Balance Tower. So I think that these are 2 really fun games, perfect to put in Easter baskets. In the stationery, I found these jumbo erasers for those big mistakes, and they had them in food themes, such as like regular Pringles. Here's one in like a Pop-Tart theme. They had the Eggo one. I thought that was really funny. And then they had another Pringle one in the sour cream and onion. You guys, these are so fun. In the party section, they have banners. Now, we always see banners there, but the thing that caught my eye about these ones are these banners are felt. They are a material. So once you use them for whatever event you plan to use them, you can repurpose them in a craft because they are fabric. And I'm all about repurposing things and making things useful for all kinds of different things instead of just one purpose. So definitely check these out. They had some neutrals, boy, girl, rainbows, and unicorns. So they did have a variety. I'm sure that other Dollar Trees may have more, but I wanted to show you what my Dollar Tree had on the shelf. Now, I showed you this Harvest marinara sauce last week, but this week I found the pizza sauce and salsa. I had no idea the Harvest brand made these, so these definitely went into my cart for $125. Also in the food section, a Reese's Puffs Bats that just came out. You see that it's good through July. I love peanut butter everything, and for $125, these definitely went into my cart. Now this surprised me. This is Halo Top. So the first time I'm thinking, why did they put ice cream on the shelf? But this is actually cake. So this is a cake in a container. You just add water, throw it in a microwave, and you have strawberry cake for less calories than regular strawberry cake. This is an amazing deal. I searched online. It's going for about $3 and change at other stores. So $125 is definitely a great deal. If you know someone who needs denture cream, I saw this for the first time, which is unusual. Named brand denture cream at the Dollar Tree. Now, it is in a smaller package, but the fact that it's name brand is so great for convenience. Now, they do have a Dollar Tree brand too in a slightly larger container, but for the name brand, I'm willing to pull out a few extra pennies just to get that name. Also in the health and beauty, they had these polish and nail file sets. I've never seen these before, but I thought they were pretty neat. If you're looking just to give these as a gift, I think they would be such a perfect little item for like a little girl's Easter basket or a gift basket, or just for that little diva who loves to have polish. Now this may not be, a spectacular item, but I've never seen the plungers with the black bottoms. And I know I have painted some of the rubber ones from red to black before, but I personally use these just for the wood. Great deal for just the wood. Now in the laundry section, a look at these clothes pins. This was a new arrival at my Dollar Tree. I did pick these up. There's always things that need to be held together in my crafts, and I think these would work perfectly for that. They also have some Pine Saw lint roller brand. This is a scented lint roller. I've never seen this. This is a new arrival at my Dollar Tree. I thought that was great, but if you want the Dollar Tree brand, they did have that, and it also comes with a bonus travel size as well. So you can get the 2-pack at the Dollar Tree as well. In the wearables, they had That Girl Lele socks in a multi-pack. I believe there's 6 pairs in this pack. Such a great deal for this many pairs of socks. These are all $125. Now these are the kid size, but if you're looking for like toddler size, they had these as well, and these are also in a 6-pack. I've been seeing large bundles of socks show up at the Dollar Tree recently, so this is definitely something you want to grab when you see it. So now we're going to walk over to the plus aisle, and guess what? The first thing I saw were more socks. So these multi-packs are an amazing deal. Okay, so they have $5 on them, but hear me out. There are 6 pairs of socks in this set. So this is the Ted Lasso set of socks. You can see here are all 6 prints of these socks. You get 6 pairs for $5. I mean, that even beats the $125 a pair price that they have at the Dollar Tree. So they didn't only have Ted Lasso, they had other ones too. So if you have a fan of Nickelodeon, here is the $5 bundle of these. Again, 6 pairs for $5. So this is definitely a really great deal you want to grab up. Keep them all together, take them apart and gift them individually. It is all up to you, but either way, it's definitely a good deal. Now here's one too. This is the Avatar version of the socks. Now, let me tell you guys, I saw these in almost every cart when I was at the Dollar Tree, so I'm sure they're going to go fast. So if you do see these, you definitely want to grab them when you see them. They're going pretty quick. In the garden section in the plus aisle, they have these little critters here. Now, we've seen something similar in years past. These are these solar lights that are $3, and they are very heavy. They're not going anywhere if the wind blows. So you could choose all kind of characters, from frogs, raccoons, and owls. All kinds of little critters that you could sit around your garden, and their little eyes will light up after a long sunny day at night. So it adds a little accent to your garden. It's so super cute. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen this. These large bags of candy on the plus aisle, but they're marked at $3.50. This is the first time I've ever seen a $3.50 price in my plus aisle, but I've only seen it on the candy. So these are the large bags that you can use for your Easter baskets, so be on the lookout for these. So now we're going to walk over to the Family Dollar. Now, for those of you who don't know, Dollar Tree owns the Family Dollar, so you're going to see a lot of the things that are sold at the Dollar Tree also available here. So I walked in and looked in the plasticware and party section, and look what I spotted. All of this plasticware, the same thing sold at the Dollar Tree, is only $1 at the Family Dollar. So you're going to save that quarter by coming here. Now they also have these large bowls. These are also $1. And they have these. We recognize these from the Dollar Tree. They're also $1, as well as all of the plates and the platters that they sell there. So you always want to stop by the Family Dollar first to see if you need anything on this particular aisle and save that quarter if you can. So here is the salad plate, and then they also have the large platters. The $1.25 ones are only $1 at Family Dollar. Now, if you go into the kitchen aisle, they're going to have a lot of kitchenware there, and wood spoons, skewers, spatulas, all kinds of things for your kitchen accessories, all $1. I am happy to see $1 prices still floating around out there, so don't lose hope. There are options besides the Dollar Tree. Now, if you're looking for measuring tools, straws, and even scissors for your poultry, they did have those as well, all at the $1 price point. So don't leave out the Family Dollar when shopping for different things and accessories for your home. Now, they did have things for your sink as well. They had the stoppers and plugs and strainers. I always come by here and grab a couple of strainers. I like to change mine out every few months to keep everything looking fresh. They even had the bag clips here too. Now, if you walk over to the party section, they have a wall full of everything you would need for a party. And guess what? Yes, this is also $1. So they had an assortment of all kinds of things. Here are some cups. You can get standard clear cups or you can get color cups. They have the napkin sets to match, and they also have the plates and cake plates, the cutlery, everything in a matching set, and it's all just $1. So check that area out if you are looking to plan a party. And I've said this before, but you always want to stop by the Family Dollar to get your peel and stick tiles. These are the same tiles that they have at the Dollar Tree, with one exception. They're only $1 at Family Dollar. You're not going to pay $1.25 here. So definitely stop by your Family Dollar to get your $1 peel and stick tiles if you plan to use them for decor or even crafts. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring lots of new name brand items and more at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my supplies, you can definitely check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree and Family Dollar as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.